Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker's American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a cake for a friend of mine's birthday, and they asked for a sun-themed cake. So let's get started. This is a 6-inch chocolate cake filled with raspberry Swiss meringue buttercream and fresh raspberries. I trimmed the bottom layer because it was slightly larger than the other two layers. I frosted it with raspberry Swiss meringue buttercream. I cleaned up the cake board and put the cake in the fridge to chill for a bit before continuing. While the cake was chilling, I cut out some purple flowers. Then I made a purple disc and surrounded it with snakes of fondant in rainbow colors to make a rainbow disc. Then I cut the disc in half to make 2 rainbows. Then I frosted the cake again. I rolled out some white fondant and covered the cake with it. I smoothed it on with my fondant smoother and my hands and cut off the excess with a knife. Then I rolled out some yellow fondant and cut out a circle and placed it on top of the cake. Then I rolled out yellow fondant again and cut out some partial circles and cut out a squiggle from the same angle of the circle. I placed the squiggles around the sun at regular intervals. Then I rolled out some green fondant and cut out some tall waves and placed them on the side of the cake. I placed the rainbows in front of the green overlaps. I placed the purple flowers around the side of the cake. I rolled out some yellow fondant and cut out some yellow flowers and placed some on the cake and set some aside. Then I rolled out some green fondant and used a leaf cutter to place along the bottom of the cake. I placed the rest of the yellow flowers above the leaves. Then I remembered that my friend's favorite color is orange, and I didn't have a lot of orange on the cake. So I made the brightest orange ever and added some orange flowers. Then I rolled the orange fondant in a snake and curled it into a swirl and placed it between the squiggles on the sun. I love how happy and cheerful this cake is. It's absolutely a celebration of summer. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at americanbakerin germany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more cakes.